If at one end of the spectrum we've got guaranteed income sources like DB pensions, annuities and the state pension, at the other end we have a finite pot of money which needs to fund your needs for the rest of your life. And to some degree, that pot of money will need investing and managing. Now you can outsource that by choosing a kind of off-the-shelf, done-for-you investment proposition, or use a stockbroker or a discretionary fund manager, but maybe you like the idea of doing that management yourself. If you're responsible for the choice of the funds, that's a lot of responsibility on you. And you're still going to need to keep an eye on things for the rest of your life, even if it's only once or twice a year. You might need to make changes, or you might need to decide not to do anything, even when circumstances might suggest that you should. So are you comfortable making and sticking to those kinds of decisions? Are you new to this or are you experienced? Have you been hands-on with your pension and your ISA money for decades? Or are you approaching retirement and are only now starting to understand investing and how it all works?